all world religions have certain things in common tí wọ́n try láti uphold. All world religions now. So most world religions hold that evil, sin, good, cruelty, and termination of life are all evil that should be avoided at all cost. Nobody first statement me. But when we talk of ethical issues, we are talking of the concept of right and wrong.
Yes, sir.
In terms of interpersonal relationship in the society. Right and wrong. In terms of interpersonal relationship in the society. And I said most religions hold that evil, sin, illusion, cruelty, and things like adultery and incessant killing should be abhorred, abhorred in the society, should be dealt away with in the society, should be frowned at in the society. Furthermore, when you talk of concept of the topic again,
Issues of ethical issues.
Ethical issues. When you talk of ethical issues, we talk of things that are right and should be promoted in society. We have this issue of sanctity of human life. Sanctity of human life. You have promotion of harmonious living. Promotion of harmonious living. You have things like respect for constituted authorities. Gómìnà yìí tó ní àwọn constituted authority. Constituted authorities. And we have issues like sacred places and sacred objects. Sacred places and sacred objects in world religions. When we talk of ethical issues, we sometimes refer to what we call taboos. Things that must not be done. And so those are things we refer to as taboos in the society. So we are going to study 6 major religions in this course and look at their concept of morality. First is Hinduism. Next is Buddhism. The third one is Sikhism. Then we come to the monotheistic religions, Judaism, Christianity, and Islam. We are going to look at ethical issues in those 6 religions. What are their teachings? What are the things they uphold? What are the things they reject? What are the things they promote? What are the things they say should not be encouraged? The first one I call is Hinduism, Abi.
Yes, sir.
Next is Buddhism.
Yes, sir.
Sikhism. Sikhism. Then Judaism, Christianity, and Islam. We may as well add 1 or 2 of these new religious movements, like the Baha'i faith. It's a new religious movement. Baha'i faith. Let's look at a new religious movement too. Baha'i faith.
7.
7, I will give Baha'i faith. Then we have this Mormonism, Church of Latter-day Saints, Church of Christ of Latter-day. Mormonism, Mormons.
Is a canker.
Then we can do a canker with anyone too. Then we can make 3 too. We are brought with 3 Asian religion. Then we talk of monotheistic religion, Judaism, Christianity, and Islam. We can take 3 religious movements too. And you have mentioned the 3 of them. Which one to call first? The Kanka?
Mormonism. You see, Mormonism.
Mormonism and Baha'i faith.
Baha'i
That's an
faith.
offshoot of Islam. Baha'i faith. So it's a sect of Islam, just like Mormonism is a sect of Christianity. Sect. Sometimes we may call them even cults, but they are sects of Christianity.